Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Settings on your Apple TV and navigate to Remotes and Devices. Select that menu and then choose Siri to access voice settings. Toggle Siri on if it is off and confirm the language matches your preferred dialect. Verify the region setting aligns with Siri availability in your country. If prompted, enable dictation for improved voice recognition and privacy feedback. Exit settings and go to the home screen to continue pairing the remote. Stand within 3 feet of the Apple TV and point the remote at the box. Press and hold the Siri button to start the pairing process and watch the on-screen prompts. Speak a clear test command such as "Playthalates episodofmisho" to confirm Siri responds. If Siri does not respond, release the button and try again with the remote closer to the Apple TV. Restart the Apple TV if pairing repeatedly fails and repeat these steps. If Siri remains unresponsive, restart your Apple TV and the remote for troubleshooting. Unplug the Apple TV power cable for 10 seconds and then reconnect it before testing again. Check Bluetooth settings and remove interfering remotes or accessories that may block the connection. Make sure your Apple TV runs the latest TV OS by visiting Settings and selecting System Software Updates. Finally, reset the remote settings only.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.